Why is wanting approval so hard to stop?
Your brain is wired to look for belonging, because that helped humans survive. Connection once meant safety. When someone likes your post, laughs at your joke, or says you are cool, your brain releases a warm reward signal that feels like safety. That warm signal becomes something you start chasing without noticing. Today we will explore why validation feels addictive, and how to become confident from the inside out.
So, what does that actually mean?
In medical language, peer approval activates the social reward pathway. This includes the ventral striatum and anterior cingulate cortex. In simple words, your brain thinks approval equals survival, so it treats compliments like a life boost. When kids feel unsure about themselves, the brain grabs extra hard for outside approval. This is not weakness, it is biology trying to protect you.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, it does. Each time you look for likes or praise, dopamine reinforces the behavior. The loop grows stronger. This forms a micro-craving for more approval. Your prefrontal cortex, the part that makes wise choices, gets less active when you worry about what others think. Identity comes from truth, not approval. Tiny steps of courage can rewire your brain back to strength.
How does this show up in real life?
You see it in school, when kids choose what is popular instead of what is right. The pressure feels constant. You see it in emotions, when someone's opinion can instantly change your mood. Power shifts outward. Friendships become confusing when you start performing instead of being real. Families feel the pressure when kids hide mistakes to avoid judgment. And habits change when you chase compliments instead of growth.
So, small equals big?
Yes, imagine a tiny seed that grows toward the sun. Light helps it grow. Approval is like sunlight, but too much makes the plant bend instead of grow straight. Balance matters. One small choice, like speaking your real opinion or making a decision yourself, strengthens your identity. Over time, those choices stack into confidence.
So, how do I start?
Here is your simple 3-part reset. Easy to practice. 1 thought. Say, my worth doesn't change with opinions. Let that settle. 1 feeling. Place your hand on your chest and breathe slowly to feel grounded. 1 behavior. Choose 1 small action today without asking anyone for approval. This teaches your brain to trust your inner voice.
What should we do today?
Your tiny challenge today is to do 1 brave task without checking what someone else thinks. Courage starts small. Notice how it feels to decide for yourself. That feeling matters. Comment brave to join the challenge. And if these episodes help you grow stronger, feel free to subscribe and keep learning with us. You are growing into someone strong, steady, and wise. The change is already happening. Each small step you take to trust yourself builds a new pathway of confidence. The brain remembers courage. Keep choosing courage. Keep returning to your identity. And you will feel the freedom of being yourself.
See you in the next episode.